Let's talk about the SpeedValve 3. It gives full control over the LS saw. First, let me note that I am working on it to see if it'll work on the more common import saws. So far, testing has been good. We just need to run it through the ringer to make sure that what you're getting works and is a quality product. But let's go over it for a second. It gives you full control. It introduces a lockout, so you can flip a switch, put your bow up, and the bow stays wherever you leave it. I know when I cut, if I'm cutting repetitive sizes over and over and over again, I typically lift it just above the material. I slide it, I take a measurement, and then I start feeding again. Now you can lift your blade a little higher so that you don't accidentally hit it. If you use roller stands, which can be a pain in the ass, sometimes you slide it, it falls off the rear roller stand, and then all of a sudden that piece is shooting up in the air and it twists your blade all up, breaking a tooth. It's a pain in the dick. If you're lucky enough to have roller tables, feed tables, then it's probably not that big of a deal for you. But if you're using it as a vertical bandsaw, if you just got to go from a 2-inch piece to a 6-inch piece, you can lift it up, you can hit the rapid feed, drop it down quickly without having to adjust your needle valve or touch your lockout. Those two can stay still. You just hit the rapid button, boom. Rapid button is a momentary valve. That's for safety. So if your helper's got his fingers in there, it's not gonna come colliding down on him. The full weight of this bow is a careening death trap by itself. I have put what's called a hydraulic snubber in the system. It drastically slows the flow rate of the oil down so that you have a controlled fall when you're using the rapid feed. It does not impact the remaining functions of the speed valve, i.e. the needle valve and the toggle valve. It still falls faster than you should ever be cutting at. If you're cutting faster than that, you're doing it wrong and you need to chill. Let's just look at it real quick. Easy peasy. Start your button. You can see that I'm about an inch or so over my material. You hit your rapid, falls down, flip the switch, and now you're cutting. It's that easy, guys. Go buy one, make your saw. Go buy one, make your saw a useful tool, more useful than it can be from the factory. This gives you full control of what the bigger saws do, the electric over hydraulics. They all have these functions, and now your Ellis can too.